It's my mission to find the most interesting spots in Tamale, and today we're checking out the one everyone's talking about, Red Clay Studio. Tourwime. To get there, we're taking the classic Tamale route, a yellow, riding through the red route, Red Clay. And as we round the corner, the reason for its name becomes so clear. Now, if your brain jumps to quiet art gallery with white walls and a lot of security guards around, maybe think again. This place is like a time capsule of the early days of Ghana, housing old cars and trains and infrastructure from that era. It's a massive playground for the imagination. So, who dreams up a place like this? That would be Ibrahim Mahama, born in Tamale in 1987. Mr. Mahama studied painting and sculpture at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. After working internationally and gaining recognition for large-scale installations, he purchased land just outside a farming community in Tamale. This was in 2014, and by September 2020, Red Clay officially opened its doors. The place is beautiful in and out. There are so many amazing artworks and installations. And being told the whys and hows of these artworks and installations just elevates the entire experience. Fun fact, the song Red Clay by Yusuf Indoor inspired the name of this place. It sounds just as good as this place is to see. One thing I think is worth highlighting about the founder, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, is his system of collecting all these items. He has a way of involving people. And almost all the items are things that otherwise would have probably been thrown away, which also speaks to how environmentally friendly this whole space is. It's important to note that it's situated about a 15 to 20 minute drive from the Tamale city center and roughly 30 to 40 minutes from the Tamale International Airport. Now, before you visit, it's always best to check their social media pages for the most current information, mainly because ours can vary based off of the events they are hosting at the time. The studio is open to the public from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week, including holidays. So, who is this place for? Honestly, everyone. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking inspiration, maybe you're a group of friends looking for a unique hangout for a picnic or something, maybe you're a tourist seeking to find authentic contemporary Ghanaian art, maybe you're a Ghanaian rediscovering and exploring your own country, or maybe you're a group of students looking for a great site for an excursion during the holidays. For other contemporary artists as well, I think this would be a great place to gain some inspiration for your own works. And I'm not promising that everything will catch your eye, but at least one thing would, I assure you. When you arrive, you can expect a really warm welcome and the freedom to explore. The reception is very, very relaxed. You're free to wander and absorb the atmosphere. And while there aren't traditional packages like horse riding and the like, the experiences here are really rich. I'd say it's a good place for contemplation, conversation, connection, and just genuinely having fun. Now to one of the most important and frequently asked questions. The cost. How much will it cost you to find yourself at a place like this? Access to explore the Red Clay Studio grounds is typically free of charge. You can walk in, experience the place, wander around, explore, all for free. Your only cost for an adventure like this would most likely come from transportation and feeding yourself, and maybe purchasing some artworks that are for sale from specific artists who come to exhibit their works at the studio. Speaking about my personal experience, I think this place is breathtaking. There's a sense of peace and immense creativity that just hangs in the air. I'm trying to explain it the best I can. Let's just say you feel a little bit smarter after being here. I'd say it gives you a new perspective on things. All the footage you're seeing is not fully capturing the aura of this place. You need to be there yourself to experience it. It's a place anyone from Tamale, every Northerner, every Ghanaian should be proud of. Now, down to the crux of it, is Red Clay Studio a place I would recommend you come to? Is it worth your time? It's a definite yes. In fact, it's a must visit if you are in Tamale, and I would without a doubt tell any and everyone to come around and see it for themselves. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Red Clay Studio and are interested in other hidden gems in Tamale and in the northern region, make sure to subscribe. While you're at it, hit the bell icon so you're the first to be notified when we pop out a fresh new video. Also go ahead and comment where you'd like us to go next. Thank you for touring Red Clay Studio with me today. I'll catch you in the next one.